Struggling to understand English phrases? Do expressions like come in, take off, or look after confuse you? You are not alone. Many learners find these phrases difficult because the meaning is not always clear. In this video, we will understand what phrasal verbs are and how to use them correctly. Welcome to English Fluency Builder. Learn English the simple and effective way. Let us begin with a simple question. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and one or more small words. These small words are usually prepositions or adverbs. For example, up, out, in, off. When we combine a verb with these words, the meaning changes completely. It is no longer the original meaning of the verb. It becomes a new meaning. Let us understand this clearly. Take the verb come. When we say come in, it does not just mean come and in separately. It means enter. When we say come across, it does not mean come and cross. It means find something by chance. So, the meaning is different. This is why phrasal verbs are important. Now let us look at some simple examples. Come in means enter. For example, come in, the door is open. Come across means find something by chance. For example, I came across an old photo yesterday. Take off means remove. For example, he took off his jacket. As you can see, the meanings are not always obvious. That is why you should focus on the full phrase, not individual words. Now let us understand why phrasal verbs are important. Phrasal verbs are used in everyday English. Native speakers use them naturally in conversations. If you avoid them, your English may sound too formal or unnatural. But when you use phrasal verbs correctly, your English becomes more natural, more fluent, and more confident. Now let us understand the types of phrasal verbs. This is very important for correct usage. There are mainly three types: separable phrasal verbs, inseparable phrasal verbs, and multi-word phrasal verbs. First, separable phrasal verbs. In these phrasal verbs, the verb and the second word can be separated. For example, turn off. You can say, turn off the light, or turn the light off. Both are correct. So, the object can come in between. Second, inseparable phrasal verbs. In these, you cannot separate the words. They must stay together. For example, look after. You must say, she looks after her younger brother. You cannot say, she looks her younger brother after. That would be incorrect. So, these phrasal verbs cannot be split. Third, multi-word phrasal verbs. These have more than two words, usually a verb and two particles. For example, come up with. This means to think of an idea. For example, she came up with a great solution. Here, all words stay together. Now let us understand how to use phrasal verbs effectively. First, always learn the meaning of the full phrase. Do not try to understand word by word. Second, learn with examples. Examples help you remember better. Third, practice speaking. Try to use these phrases in your daily conversations. Even simple sentences will help. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Now let us quickly revise what we learned. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word. The meaning changes completely. Come in means enter. Come across means find by chance. Take off means remove. There are different types: separable, inseparable, and multi-word phrasal verbs. Now you are ready to start learning phrasal verbs step by step. In the next videos, we will learn them in a simple and practical way, starting with come phrasal verbs. Follow English Fluency Builder and continue your journey to fluent English. Keep learning and keep improving.